Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can add your Realme 14 Pro Plus to a IMEI.info lost database. So first, you need to dial this number in your phone app on your device to get your IMEI number, or you can find it in the settings or maybe on the box. Pick whatever way you prefer, and there enter the IMEI.info website and type in the IMEI number you have just found. Now you'll get some basic info about your phone, and down here in the basic checks you'll find the lost device app, and here you'll have to fill out this form, and then if you fill it out just press report lost/stolen IMEI and your phone will be added to the database. And if anything comes up, you will be able to check using the lost device check. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.